We are trying to grow Greater Commons and build it, and one of the first things we need to do is get users in our courses, and we also have to get reviews and ratings. Good reviews and good ratings. So here's the exchange we would like to make with you. We are giving away 100 free accesses. I don't know how you say that plural. We're giving away free access 100 times to each of our courses. And all you have to do is go in and use the coupon code REVIEWER. Reviewer. If you can't spell that, we don't want you leaving a review. So use the coupon code REVIEWER, all capitals, and that's going to give you free access if you're one of the first 100 to any or all of our courses. So jump into whatever courses you want. And the only thing we ask in exchange is watch a couple of the videos. When you get a sense for the course, if you feel like with integrity, you could say, this is an awesome, amazing course, 5 stars, then leave that review. If you feel like it's a 4-star course or lower, right, just send me an email and let me know what I could do to improve it. Don't write that review. So that's the exchange. Use that coupon code REVIEWER, get into the courses for free, enjoy them, learn something, share them with other people, and please leave a great review so that we could then, get other students. That helps other students find the courses. Thank you very much. We look forward to seeing you on Greater Commons. Say goodbye, everybody.
Bye, everybody.
Thank you very much. Bye.